Hi, my name is Matthew Gerber, and I'm a licensed precaster and distributor of the Perma-Colum family of products. Today we're here to talk about the Perma-Colum precast concrete column called the deck post. This product here beside me is a 6x6 deck post that's 48 inches in length. This one here is a 4x4 deck post that's 48 inches in length as well. We have several other sizes ranging from 30 inches to 40 inches, 48 inches like these here to 60 inches. They also come in a 6x6 bracket that fits a rough sawn post as well. So these varying products are available at your local lumber yard where you get your composite decking and your treated lumber for your framing. The way these are used is just like any post that would go into the ground, right? Except we're not putting wood in the ground. You're gonna drill your hole, you're gonna put a footing down to the bottom, and then you're gonna set these in just like you would any other post. The beauty is we're keeping wood out of the ground. We're talking about foundation systems that are done right. Foundation systems that will last a lifetime. This product is ICC certified, and a lot of times what our builders will do is they'll actually take this pamphlet here that's got the ICC ESR label on it and some additional load tables inside, and they'll actually a lot of times turn this in with their application so that way the inspectors know up front what product they're using. Perma-Colum is the leader in permanent foundation systems. So as you, the deck builder, consider what foundation upon which you're building your deck, choose Perma-Colum. Build better, build stronger, build to last.